So I'll be making some definitions on the cat's face, basically adding more detail to the eyes, as well as adding the nose and also his mouth. So to do that, I'm just going to refer to the image by Ste-Anne Mermaid, and I will do that manually. So let's start with this color, number 10. This is going to be for this other part of sort of its face. It looks like an eyebrow, but of course cats don't have eyebrows. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. And then we will make a rough sketch of the nose and the mouth. So the nose would be somewhere around here. And then we would have the little mouth. Like that. I can even add a bit of the cheeks over here, since those details are very fine. And then we move on to the nose. For the nose, I'm going to use number 23, which is the pinkest color. So let's color this in. And then a little bit below for the mouth. And now let's do the eyes. So it needs some black. So that would be, in this case, number 24, the darkest we have. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this with the paintbrush and the paint, you can also use a marker if you'd like. So we'll do one with the paintbrush and see how that works. Basically, it's kind of just like a crescent sort of thing, just to define it. And do the same thing on the other side. And finally, we make a white dot. So the white dot would be 21, the lightest. You have to make sure that your brush is not wet, as the water sometimes has a tendency of sliding down the tip of the bristles, and then it will go onto the paint, and that will affect how you apply the paint. So we just dab a dot in the middle like that, and then do the same thing on the other side. There you go. To further the detail, you can also add just a little bit of these sections, which kind of disappeared. That's to define the paws. So let's continue that with code 10, which is what these colors are. And let's just continue that. Kind of draw in a paw. As you can see, I'm just making those half circles. And so now the paw is more defined. So that's one way to be able to add more detail to your paint art once it is complete.